Hey guys, so today we will be doing two unboxings from Diamond Dots. These are two paintings I picked up after Christmas slash for Christmas. One of them was a Christmas present. I can't wait to let you guys see it, and stay tuned for those two unboxings. Okay guys, so today we are going to do these two unboxing videos from Diamond Dots. Technically this one is actually by Leisure Arts, but it is powered by Diamond Dots, which means it's a Diamond Dots kit, but technically it's from the brand Leisure Arts. And then we have this other Diamond Dots kit that I got. So this one I got for Christmas as a Christmas present. This one I picked up afterwards. So we'll just jump in to do these short, quick videos. So this one is actually called Reindeer Gift, and it was at Hobby Lobby. I did get it for like 70% off or something like that. Actually, I think my mom picked it up. So, brand new kit. Get into the unboxing. So as usual, you get your canvas and you get your drills. So let's just look at these drills real quick. So this has your standard toolkit, which is your stylus, your wax, and your script, and then your colors. And this one has, let's see, 18, 20, looks like to be about 20 colors. So we'll go through this really quickly. So we got some skin tone colors, got some oranges. Now Diamond Dots does come in ABs. There's your ABs right there. Okay, so ABs is in white. It is the 501. Sorry, not 501. It is 5001. So these are the AB drills, as you can see. There it goes. Okay, so then we got one. But what I was saying is that Diamond Dots comes in 4 digits, not the DMC code. Again, here's another AB. This is 5005, which is yellow. But it comes in 4 digits, like this yellow is 8320. However, if you want to convert it to the DMC colors, they do have a DMC chart code you can follow. But I just usually keep my Diamond Dots separate because they are drilled facet different. These have 13 facets, which you're like, well, the other companies have 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That doesn't matter. It just depends on how they facet it. It's kind of like a diamond. A diamond does not have that many facets if you actually count the facets on the top. They make the facets to make the shine the brightest. So, okay, my dogs are going crazy. Sorry if you hear my dogs in the background. They decided that they want to go crazy. So again, this is the reindeer one, and there are 20 colors. And then let's get this toolkit back in. I want to put it back in so I don't lose which drills go with which one. I usually keep it all in my box when I'm not using it. So Diamond Art canvases, or not Diamond Art, sorry. Diamond Dot canvases are a little thicker. They are more of like a harder canvas, but their clarity, isn't that such a cute little painting? So now this is not a full drill, and what that means is the whole painting is not drilled. So the background is just printed on, which is a very clear printing. And then you just have partial drill, which is the reindeer, the snowman, and the little mouse. This one does have, 28 colors. I saw 20, but 28 colors. And as you can see, this is a very, very clear legend. So you can see here that you will not have a problem seeing what the symbols are. And then let's actually roll it backwards so I can kind of get it to flatten out a little bit so I can actually show you guys the drill field on this one. So I can just hold it like this a little bit. There you go, a little bit. But you can see how clear the drill field is on the reindeer. So you will not have a problem seeing it. It is very clear. You can tell which each symbol is, even if they're close to the same colors. Very clear symbols, and it looks good. So, I usually don't have a problem with Diamond Dotz's drill field on their newer canvases. If you do happen to pick up an older canvas from like years ago at like a Tuesday morning or somewhere else, then yeah, you might have a little bit of a fuzzy canvas, but I have not had a problem with that with any of the new ones, even with the leisure art ones. So, definitely love the Diamond Dotz Clarity. Now, this one I'm super excited about because I have done another village. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, go to my channel and look at it. But I'm excited about this one. This one is a holiday special, I'm going to say it's like special edition maybe, but that's not my language. So this is actually called Snowy Village. It is a 20 by 16, so a decent size one. They were charging $40 for this one. However, again, I didn't pay anything, so my mom gave it to me for Christmas. But I know her, I think we got this one 50 to 60% off. And I was super excited because I just finished another village one. And I can't wait to put this one with it next year. This one's like the church and all that, where the other one is like shops or whatever. So very excited. So let's jump into the canvas first. So again, it is a Leisure Arts canvas. However, it is powered by Diamond Dotz, so that means everything is done by Diamond Dotz. This one has 33 colors with 2 ABs. Okay. Now also Diamond Dotz, I don't know if you can see, I'll get it closer up, gives you this extra printing. So from where the dots are to where the dots are on the other side is going to be how big the design area is. However, they know a lot of people like to put these on stretch canvases, so they actually give you an extra little printed area to give you an extra fuller look instead of just having it cut off right here, okay? But let's just get into how big this is. Got your instruction sheets that I just throw away because I do not need them. And then, I don't know why they started doing that, but that's okay. So, if you need to know how to flatten your canvas, you always can unroll it the other way. So, I'm going to do it this way. So, you unroll it, then you want to roll it the other way. And then what I usually do is I just take a pants hanger and hang it up in my closet in between some of my husband's clothes until I'm ready to work on it, and that tends to flatten it out. Or you can put it under your bed, you can put it under some heavy books, and as you can see, it already kind of flattened out from this. Now in the video you see these like creases right here. That's just creases, that's not anything wrong. If I actually pull this up and try to straighten the canvas out and push this down, you can see that already this is gone. So that's not anything bad in the canvas, it's just how it's rolled with the plastic on it. Okay, so again, this one has 33 colors. It is a 20 by 16, so from here to here is 20, from here by here is 16, or vice versa. But again, very clear. You can see the D's are right here in this field. You see the dots. You can see this painting very clearly. Not going to hurt your eyes on the legend. You will be able to see each color very clearly. Okay, so again, it's very beautiful. We got the church, we got houses, very, very snowy village. Okay, so we'll jump into the drills just to give y'all guys a few look at these. So again, your standard toolkit. You got your wax, your stylus, and your stylus grip, and then your extra baggies. Don't just throw those away. If you guys can find somebody to donate to, that would be helpful. Instead of just throwing that away, I usually just keep them until somebody says, hey, I need some, or I don't know, I might see somebody on Etsy would like the pins, because I have a whole bunch of pins. So, just to kind of give you guys some color. Ooh, look at that purple, not pinkish purple, maroon. I guess we call that maroon. Guys, a look at the colors really quick. So here is your two ABs. You got the 5001, which is white, and the 5005, which is yellow. So again, white and yellow in this kit. That must be a highly color for ABs. And then you got some browns. Okay. And then you got, we'll just go through quickly, some other colors here. Blues, browns, red, blue, different hues of green, another hue of blue. So we got that maroonish color here. So pretty, so really pretty maroon color. Sorry that the lighting is causing the colors to look a little bright at first until I correct it. And you got that's the color, two colors I was looking at, the purplishes, maroons are really pretty. Okay, now you can see some are having very, very little in there, so there's probably not a lot of that. Then you got these colors. Now these are two different colors. Okay, one's a little lighter, one's a little darker. Now you do have two 23s, which is 8150, so that's probably the background on the blue sky and the blue snow. And then another couple of colors, blues and red. So, 33 colors, a good mixture of colors, because you got orange, you got browns, you got reds, you got blues, you got yellows, you got purple in there, so a very good mixture of colors. And if you happen to pick up some kits after Christmas, I hope you got some that you guys would enjoy doing. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Until next time.